Hi everybody, welcome to today's talk show. We are invited our honorable anthropologist, filmmaker, internationally renowned poet, our beloved Mrs. Lavita J.R. Morangji. I am Sri Arindam Prince Mangi, editor of Assam Lutat. Welcome you. And
yeah, I'm so delighted. Okay. Arindam Panging, the owner of channel Assam Lutat.
Yes.
You personally came to my home to interview me.
Okay.
This is much privilege because you didn't, let me go out.
Yes.
That was very for me not only tiresome, but you should go sometime though it's COVID time. But I'm good the way you organize events with limited people.
Yes.
Taking care of the COVID protocols. Thank you for that.
First of all, I want to listen your writing skill of poetry.
You love poetry?
Yes, definitely.
Usually, that's why I always would like to say about John F. Kennedy, 16th American president's concept on poetry.
Okay.
He said, when politics corrupts, poetry cleanses.
Okay.
It will remind men of your unlimitedness, right? When you are grouping in the darkness and limitedness. So, even on Rongharfi, yes,
Sumila Rongharfi.
I was about to write today Sumila's poem on Sumila because
yes.
It was like ना सीता तो एक बार जली थी, सीता को एक बार ही जलाया गया था, लेकिन आज की सीता रुमिला को 1000 बार जलाया जाता है, हर दिन जलाया जाता है आज के दिन डिजिटल एरा में. सो आई वाज अबाउट टू, आप कहाँ थे तब? 1000 दिन जल रही थी, कहाँ थे आप? एक दिन जल चुकी है, आज दुनिया में नहीं, हम सब आ गए हैं उनके ऊपर ना. वी आर रेजिंग वॉइस टू फॉर हर जस्टिस. आई थिंक शी वॉज नीडेड हेल्प एवरी डे. शी वॉज स्क्रीमिंग आउट फ्रॉम दैट रूम. This I sometimes was thinking, why domestic help to such a young girl child, Okay. We should create a monitor group, create how many young girls are there in every village, and monitor करें. For example, इस गांव में यहाँ पे 15 villages है, girl child कितने हैं? From year 1 age to 1 year to at least 10 we can monitor na. Every we can keep a person who can their education ko leke, their problems, the psychological every issue ko leke, who's kind of harassing them, who's kind of making advance to them, who's kind of any disturbance causing them. Like I will think about that. Now you want me to write poetry in this moment about Sumila ka dard hamme. It's embedded me so deep into me. So I was not thinking anything about. I was thinking about since yesterday. Yes. I was here in my home confined, so I was not aware of the news. When I came to it, I was literally bleeding. This shouldn't happen. People are there. इतने छोटे बच्चे को कैसे आप कर सकते हो? He was suffering for 4 years.
Yes.
Anyways, so I will write on her,
Sumila Rongharfi.
Sumila Rongharfi on other day. Today because you want me to sing a poetry. I have book. I can take a book from my
definitely
poem book. But but I will recite I will recite one very, it's in my right, in the tip of my tongue, that one. रिश्ता बन रहा था. हिंदी चलेगा
कोई बात नहीं.
रिश्ता बन रहा था, अधखुली खिड़की से टपकती बारिश के बूंदे खिड़की के शीश पर नक्शे बनाए जा रहे थे. अधखुली खिड़की से टपकती बारिश के बूंदे खिड़की के शीश पर नक्शे बनाए जा रहे थे. नक्शे बन रहे थे, रिश्ता बन रहा था. रिश्ता ना था, फिर भी एक रिश्ता बन रहा था. अधखुली खिड़की से टपकती बारिश के बूंदे खिड़की के शीश पर नक्शे बनाए जा रहे थे. नक्शे बन रहे थे, रिश्ता बन रहा था.
वाह, क्या बात है.
So the nature, the way the sunshine, the way it rains, उसी में हम रिश्तों के ब्यूटी को तलाशते हैं. ये अनुभव पंगलू, we try to beautify our life, we try to inspire each other. You're cooking good through social media, you want to share, you are wearing something you want to share. This is life, and nobody should cause harm to anyone. If I don't like you, okay, I don't like you, कल से हम दोस्त रहें, ऐसा बोलना है. Not that being revengeful and being malicious and try to harm you. No.
You have your signature statement like polluted mind.
Yeah, no. I again it reminds me of Ayushmann Datta.
Yes.
Sorry for my very dear friend. He's more than a brother. Ayushmann Datta was a very good journalist,
Yes, yes.
very good author. His book
But
is
this statement is
powerful.
Powerful.
I don't know what happened. It's like air pollution.
Yes.
Air pollution is not as dangerous as a polluted mind. Because of the polluted mind, this Surmila had to suffer. Parfi had to suffer.
We have read in before 12 years before. Your statement.
Ayushmann chased me for this interview for Times of India and Milan Sentinel.
Assam Sentinel.
Yeah.
Lots of national daily newspaper publish this statement.
This is powerful. I have created it, and he demanded me to create a quote. आप तो इतनी experience एक तो quote बनाओ. Then I said, Ayushmann ये लिख देना. Ayushmann Datta को बोला, he like इतना अच्छा से Times of India में in a book.
We were remaining, so say again and again. Now.
You want me to repeat the quote?
Yes,
air pollution is not as dangerous as a polluted mind. For example, this is recent happening in Tripura.
Yes.
DM.
Yes.
Mr. Yadav.
Yes.
He shouldn't do that. We don't expect this from a good officers like IS or IPS. Or this should be. He should be handling it through love. Okay, we understand. कुछ हुआ, लेकिन मैरिज तो that was his son wedding ceremony. It was pre-planned ना. Not ऐसा नहीं है कि चाव बना दिया आपको, ऐसा नहीं था ना. सबको पता था. 1 घंटा देर हुआ.
Even though in social structure of Assam and entire mainstream national, there is also we have
everywhere.
So
please, polluted mind is causing. अरे air pollution जो होते हैं ना, ये जो you can see the trees, mountain. I'm so blissful to have this oxygen produced every day, and we have this air में ecosystem में होते हैं inbuilt mechanism to purify the air gets purify itself ना. तो हम भी purify कर सकते हैं अपने polluted mind.
That means you say the message that the holiness is from your heart.
Everything we are
not only for words.
Yeah. It should be
from
the tree
bottom of the heart.
Yeah, our thought is like a tree. Now the root should be in the heart.
Yes.
तब तो fruit दिखेगा ना. Sorry. If you want to share fruit or bitter, you want to show sour grapes, you want to share मीठा, mango, jackfruit, pineapple, anything no मीठा. Please हमारे वाणी भी मीठा. इसलिए तो कबीर का मीठा बोलिए, मीठा वाणी. ऐसा वाणी बोलिए मन का आपाक खोए, मन का द्वार खुल जाए. ऐसा वाणी बोलिए. कबीर ने हमें कब के सेंचुरी में सिखाया गया. Please let's follow this. अब IPS ऑफिसर है, IAS ऑफिसर है, हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के it will not work till education will not work. Being educated will not work, but enlightened mind. Education plus enlightened mind. See what will happen to the society. Everybody needs love. We need love.
And besides, we want also empowerment. How to get women empowerment? Enter the not only tribal society, enter the societies.
So you want to focus basically on female, like female fraternity. Yes. हम इतने एम्पावरमेंट के भाषण दे चुके हैं, हम इतने एम्पावरमेंट के मंत्र क्रिएट कर चुके हैं. इट्स नॉट हेल्पिंग. यू सी इस घर में सो मेनी हियर इन माय एरिया देयर आर मोर देन 3, 4, 500 फीमेल हेल्पलेस. वो क्या हमको दुर्गा माँ समझते हैं कि मैं 10 हाथ देके मैं यहाँ से मैं लोबिता विल हेल्प. मैं हेल्पलेस हो जाती हूँ. आई बिकम हेल्पलेस. दैट्स व्हाई प्लीज अरिंदम हेल्प मी टू क्रिएट सम सोर्सेस सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प दिस पीपल. हम लोग ऐसे कुछ करते हैं कि किताबों में लिखा है पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम एवरीथिंग इज देयर, बट इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दिस फीमेल हु डजंट नो एनीथिंग एट ऑल. हमको ही पता नहीं है, लोगों को कैसे पता होगा. दे हैव टू नो दिस विल नॉट दिस वे. हम लोग प्रोग्राम अच्छे एसी रूम में बनाते हैं. नो, इट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग देम. आई विल लेट्स गो एंड चेक देयर होम. Let's talk to them. They cannot go high with us. They cannot think beyond. They have to. अरे आज दिन में दिनों की बनाम, राती की बनाम, और हस्बैंड मारेगा, बच्चा भी डांटेंगे. So they live for 24 hours, like like a fly. They live for 24 hours only there, and their minds are dead. You are talking of empowerment. You want to see. women have made advancement in even astronauts बन गए हैं, big police officers है, navy है, navy में है, the pilots, female authors. We have many good ministers. We have, but
you just you message the downtrodden society like
yes, very helpless. इतने helpless कि you can exploit them. इतने helpless. They are so like crippled. cripple, life is crippled.
What is now
they are skilled.
Remedies of how to
remedy? They have the skill. For example, I also know how to weave, but I'm not an expert weaver like them. They have skill. They are very skilled, but they can work here 24/7. Not me. I can work here for 20 minutes and faint. For example, जो labor काम करते हैं, they can work 24/7. They have that muscle strength. They can weave. They have a skill to do everything. Only they are not from organized sector. We need to have an organized sector for them.
Yes.
Something organized. ये जैसे bakery है, ये खाइए. Something good. Okay. It has to be visible. यहाँ से हाँ woman empowerment करना पड़ेगा. ये it will not help at all. It doesn't go reach them. It never reach them. They die like that.
Okay.
They die like that.
Now say something your authorship. How many books you have written?
Books, see, I have written, here people said, oh, you don't use the mother tongue language of Assamese or missing anything.
Language is no bar.
No bar. But this is Ami Kenega security. No, it's not that. Read my story. It's all stories about kaha ke last frontier of India ke ladki ke upar. Her situation. For example, who's stopping data is a story on a 12, 13 years, 14 years old girl who cuts a meat. A meat shop में she's a meat ये करते हैं, sells meat, and she knows the psyche of every person. इस घर में ये ऑफिसर रहता है, कौन सा पीस चंक चिकन का उसको चाहिए, इस घर में कौन सा वाला चाहिए चिकन. She knows everything. She takes care of the whole family. Only 13, 14 years teenage में है. So it is, and वहीं पे उसका VIP रोड है, वहीं पे लोग मिनिस्टर्स भी रहते हैं. मिनिस्टर का गाड़ी वहाँ से साइरन बजा के चले जाते हैं. She is like cutting the meat and all the meat का जो है ना, the blood is like spilling on the apron. All the plots are developed in the story.
Yes.
That's in my book. And यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट में तो कोई हमको अवार्ड नहीं दिया, लेकिन वहाँ पे गालिब एकेडमी में the Poet organization, good authors organization, literary award, they give me award. बरखा दत्त के कुमाऊं लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल में भी बुलाया for the book Discovery of Rhododendron Forest. Being in the jungle for 365 days inside the jungle, it's not a mere book, it's a masterpiece. I used to give to university. They are using based on the film is the book, and I have 40 anthologies myself in a very good forum. I have all on. I have focused deeply on the. I have squeezed out the juice of pain, ordeal, suffering of not only women as a family system. Even support में भी support नहीं होता है. Support system में भी support नहीं होता है. They fail. इतना fragile है support system. आज support कर रहा है, tomorrow they are broken, fragile, they cannot support. So we have a very strong democratic system. We have a powerful policy system. We need to go literally to them, Spoon feeding नहीं बोल सकते, but you need little bit of spoon feeding to teach how to spoon feed them. Teach how to
okay.
Feed them when they are hungry.
We also want to know your as a filmmaker.
As a filmmaker, see, as an actress होते तो मेरा problem बहुत होते हैं. As an artist, it's difficult to survive, but parallelly start as a fashion industry में as a model, actress film industry में होके बोलते हैं कि जब film actress फिल्म मेकर डायरेक्टर हो जाते हैं, उसको डायरेक्टर फिल्म नहीं देते हैं. But I'm lucky to be the character of best of Syed Abdul Malik, Rita Chaudhary, Saurabh Chalia, all this Princess Road, Midori, and BBC का भी वो and BBC में 40 days was a mammoth learning for me. उन लोग का एक डिटेल में जिस तरह से perfection लाए हैं, it was in the channel Royal Massacre of Dynasty Nepal, एक Princess Road किया था. I learned a lot, only thing is that we don't have a proper reading session, so it's difficult, has always been difficult to disseminate or share my ideas, what I have written. तो आप पूछ रहे हो तो एक दो बता दिया. You are always inquisitive, and your curiosity, you have always studied me in depth, that's why I like you, Arindam, and your channel is doing good.
Okay, now also now want to know as a flute player.
Flute player, did you see? This is the bridge. Yes. आप तो वहाँ पे bridge देखते हैं ना, यहाँ पे you see Howrah Bridge, you see Gumrahguri Bridge, largest bridge, longest bridge. But this is a bridge. Through this invocation, I try to make you connect. Yes. You invisible bridge होते हैं ना आपके हमारे बीच में, just connect करके you just feel the soothing tone. It's like healing होते हैं. Basically, in a stressful life, in a lonely life, you sometimes it's a jolt, Yeah, जोल्ट इस तरह से आता है, थंडर एंड लाइटनिंग के तरह जोल्ट आता है. यू माइट, द जोल्ट माइट किल यू, द लाइटनिंग माइट किल यू, जोल्ट माइट किल यू, बट अगेन टू गेट अ जोश, यू नो, यू नीड टू, but it helps a lot. You calm your mind to balance your mind, and you know, invoking the good spirit, it helps. And positive vibration होता है सुनने वालों के लिए, जो समझते हैं बांसुरी को पसंद करेगा, but it has therapeutic value. Therapeutic
You want to Mamuna?
example है.
Nice. Okay, will you just like to share memory of model life?
I was only 16, virgin 16, untouched beauty. जब हम थे यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा कि बड़ा एक तलवार लेके हम लोग घास साफ कर रहे हैं, पेविंग द वे टू द फैशन इंडस्ट्री. कोई नहीं था, वी डिडंट नो हाउ टू वॉक, और वी लर्न एवरीथिंग. आज तो मेकअप मॉडल के और आजू बाजू डिज़ाइनर लेके ऐसे, यू नो, हैंगर लेके, ड्रेस लेके, एंड सो मेनी फोटोग्राफर्स.
Lots of facilities in that time.
That time there was nothing. We went to Miss India Femina के लिए गई, तो ग्लैडरिस मॉरिन बोलते हैं, अरे आप लोग नोटिस से आए हो, आपके लिए स्पेशल अवार्ड देंगे. वी गो टू प्रीलिम, फाइनल के लिए फिर वो जोश था, लेकिन नो वेल दिस विल दिस वे भी था, बॉडी इज स्पिरिट इज हीलिंग, बॉडी इज वीक, वैसा भी नहीं था, लेकिन कुछ था. फाइनल में हम लोग नथिंग वॉज देयर, देन वी वर देयर. सो नथिंग वॉज देयर, वी वर देयर. वी लाइक बिट कंफ्यूज भी होते थे. कंफ्यूजन का रोड को क्लियर करके कुछ बनाना, एंड नो गुरु, नथिंग, सेल्फ मेड होने से इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू, यू नो, पॉलिश. बट दैट वे
You are like an inborn like a.
I think something is there inside in human being. You have to believe in that. एक supernatural power होते हैं, उसी को if you keep it alive, things are possible. We could pave the way. 94.
Okay.
94 में फर्स्ट फैशन शो भी हैंडलूम टेक्सटाइल के हुआ करते थे. वेरी गुड मॉडल्स वर देयर.
Is there any possibilities of model is a way of life in modern?
आप एक मॉडल बन के, एक्टर बन के, this has to some extent you think on any time of taking care of the body shape, vital statistic. Nowadays तो dietitian आ गए. पहले तो इतने बोलते हैं ना, somnambulism करते, they vomit out to keep their figure in shape, and they look to very what do you call?
So hardship.
No, you get disease out of that. You know, they don't eat at all. They eat very less to keep the body in shape, but nowadays they have dietitian to eat. Now very different. The पहले लोग to keep the body shape, vital statistic 34, 26, 36 रखने के लिए they don't use to eat. Somnambulism भी करते थे. But nowadays they eat healthy food to keep the hormones and oxytocin level, happiness level. They kind of identify the beauty. एक अच्छा होता है.
Everything maintain for balance.
See, look at all personalities, model हो, they look beautiful. हम उसी तरह से गांव में जो धान काटते हैं, बोते हैं लड़की, we also can, we should encourage weavers. We should encourage दो लड़की जो they grow पेड़ी ना, उसको भी encourage करो, लेकिन they forget to maintain themselves health wise. That's why in certain age they deteriorate. Like vitamins and all help when ये होते हैं ना. So a model nowadays are very aware. They take care of their diets, organic food and all. They talk healthy, think healthy. इस तरह से you have to look beautiful, because outward you are looking beautiful means inward is something, happiness is there. Makeup not the makeup, like, you know, if I put my eyelash and do makeup, you will not recognize me. I look more beautiful. But without makeup, you know, the glow, उसको ज़्यादा emphasis करने से you will have a healthy society, healthy woman, healthy nation, happy nation.
You have just a few days ago, you have research your mother tongue, missing language like
Okay. Okay. Mother tongue in Earth Anthem. Earth Anthem is written by Ambassador of India, very renowned poet Abhay Kumar. He is in Madagascar, assigned there. But he has written 4-5 lots of good books like Meghaduta and Great Indian Poems, Capital, something like that. And he has written an anthem, Earth Anthem for UNESCO, and everybody is there. Manisha Koirala se leke Magsaysay Award winners se leke every country ambassadors leke UNICEF personalities are there. And we used to share poems in anthology. आप मेरे पीछे किताब देख रहे हो वहाँ पे we have shared poems, but we were not in touch. And suddenly said, Lobita, can you he is so gentle, humble. एक ambassador होके मेरे को बोला inbox में लिखा, can you recite my Earth Anthem है?
Your mother tongue.
It's because I already have an album on album है Facebook में My Earth करके. Everything I click and keep it there, write poetry on it. He was observing, एक अपना मेरे anthem को ये करके दीजिए, send it. I said, should I do in my mother tongue? You're so happy. Very good, you do it in your mother tongue because there's वहाँ पे demand देखिए. Then when I send my mother tongue missing, takama ngolu kankan ne ngolu dungko sedi melo dungko lakko pa ngolu tak for example ki bole ka eto ma okai flora fauna ka ngolu yumrang arug ai takar takum lakko pa ngolu usinga mangapung lakko pa. And you have helped me in putting all the matras, ido ka pa matra dorang. So I had I have translated, you helped me, his Earth Anthem into missing dialect. And from
how many languages will touch this?
I have from Kokborok also, from Yuvraj Debarman Tripura Kokborok, I've helped him, and from Rabha community I've helped him. I'm trying to catch up Karbi. Vikram answer is not responding. Recently I saw he's a candidate MLA, that's why I think busy, and I have trying to connect with Tisho's national award winner. He's busy shooting, so you help me if someone can translate in Khasi.
You mean that now the missing language?
I think we are the first one. We could shell out.
Global era.
Yeah, we have.
Globalization in missing language.
Yes.
That is the message.
It's in the website now.
Okay.
Agar if you our missing community, if you think that there's something error, if there's something mistake I made, अरे आप जाके edit कर लीजिए. भेजा तो it is there, and I have made the presence felt. Made the beauty of our missing dialect, the beauty present, made its presence,
global society.
Yeah,
global
felt
society.
in a global
Society.
UNESCO, which is hailed by UNESCO.
Now I just noticed one of the men of first man of India, Jadok Pai, and second is Lobita Mona, who gained the global society, touched the missing language.
You say so, and you are feeling so. Jadok Pai has created a forest, and I have discovered a forest.
Yes.
The last frontier of India, but he did it by the river, mighty river Brahmaputra bank. He did it there. He created a forest. He gave birth to a forest, and I have discovered a forest in the last frontier of India. And I'm going to make it big.
Very good.
Please help me.
Okay, now thank you lots for your
thank you, Assam Luta. We share precious time and also fun time sharing.
Will we come back soon?
We'll come back soon and create more beauty, create more thought process, and share more, share more good thoughts we have, plans we have, dreams we have to create a better, beautiful society. And your Assam Luta channel is doing good.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you. Namaste. Should I switch off?